To assemble the Metra 952001 dash kit, start by identifying the left and right side brackets. Next, attach the radio brackets to the inside edge of the radio trim plate. I find it easiest to hold the radio brackets by the mounting tabs on the outside. This allows you to slide the entire assembly onto your new radio. Use the screws supplied with your radio to secure the dash kit in place. I recommend attaching the kit with the radio standing face up. Space the screws out on both sides to evenly support your radio. And there are also some spacers included with this kit that may be necessary in some applications. If the new kit assembly does not meet the backside of the factory radio opening, use these spacers to eliminate that gap. Once the dash kit is complete, you can connect your wiring harness, antenna connection, and reassemble your dash. If you have any questions, give us a call, chat with us online, or send us an email.